Hey guys, welcome to Hackdoor YouTube channel. Uh, this is a quick primer on machine learning with Python. So this video will basically talk about how we can use Python for machine learning and what machine learning really is and what modules of Python can help us in performing this machine learning on the system, as well as how to set up the Python environment to start working on machine learning modules. So, talking about machine learning, it basically is referred to an ability which we can introduce into the computer systems so that the systems can take an action on the data sets without actually being even programmed to do so. So, how this happens and the way it happens is quite interesting. So, what happens is we feed a training data set into the computer system, and there are algorithms running on the computer system to which we train what sense the data makes, and depending upon our training, the new data set when fed to this system uh, is taken a decision by these algorithms. So why Python for machine learning? So as we all know, Python has been there for a while now, and it has been used as an extension language for a lot of applications, and it's working on third-party platforms, cross platforms, and is even capable of interacting with languages that are third-party. Also, Python is a high level programming language, which basically means it has a simpler and a clear syntax. And it's also a general purpose programming language. So we can make use of the Python modules for a lot of different stuff. Uh, Python is simply awesome because it has an amazing data capability, and quite recently it has been used widely by the data scientist for data analytics. And most importantly, Python is open source. So since this is a community driven project, so there are a lot of modules written by the community which allow you to write your programs so that you don't have to do the groundwork and you just start by importing modules. So that is it. So how do you set up the Python environment for machine learning in your system? See, that's quite easy. You need to just do a pip install on certain modules that have been written by the community for machine learning. The most interesting one of those are a NumPy, SCIPY, and SCI-kit-learn. So NumPy is basically a package that is used for scientific computing with Python, and SCPy and SCIKIT-learn are modules that are more importantly related to machine learning capabilities that we can introduce with Python. So an example of it would be, import NumPy as NP and, sklearn.datasets. So those are a few important modules that we can use from these imports. So guys, this is a simple pip install command to install the Python modules. So simply type this and hit enter. Now since I have installed these modules previously, so I'm gonna get a slightly different output saying that I already have the requirement satisfied. But if you go ahead and run this, you should be able to quickly install this with a single command line. And just to verify uh, whether the modules have been installed or not, I'll do a quickly import on uh, numpy numpy. So without any error, this module is imported. What about sk learn hyphen datasets? So if you see, all the modules have been correctly installed and have been imported without an error. Now, understanding what machine learning really is, we need to understand that machine learning involves a computer to be trained by providing it a data set, and then this training will be used to predict the properties of a new data set. So, to understand this process more thoroughly, Let us take an example where we can feed 10,000 images of a dog to a system, and let us feed another 10,000 images that are not of the dog to the same system. Now, every time we will tell the system whether the image or this picture is of a dog or not. Now, if we add another image to this system, then from the above training, the system should be able to answer that whether the image fed to it now is of a dog or not correctly. This is what actually machine learning is. Now, this process of training and prediction requires to use a specific algorithms, right? So we need to we feed the training to the data set that we have fed to the system, to the algorithm running on this system, and the algorithm uses this training to give predictions on the new test data. This is what machine learning really is. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a brief introduction how Python can actually be used for machine learning. Please join this channel and do subscribe for the latest updates, because we'll be keeping posting such important and interesting videos for you. So thanks for watching, guys, and as always, God bless you all.